Okay, we've got an 86 DT175. It's in actually not bad condition considering. Just needs a bit of TLC. Got the panels on the side there. I'll put them back on. You can see the photos. It's been sitting in the shed for around 5 years. Pulled the Carby apart. Put in the Ultrasonic. It's come up nice. Actually started up, so I'll just give it a start. Front headlight still works. Just put it up here for now. Okay, it was in gear. Needs a muffler, as you can see, the lights still work. Taco works, the lights from the taco still work. Gonna need a muffler. I pulled out the airbox, get the Carby out. I won't bother putting it back in. When it flies, you can put it back in. It's got a rear puncture. Tank doesn't leak, and it's fairly clean inside, believe it or not.